Hello everyone. This is Mahendran Silokumar. I work cloud and DevOps engineer, Tata Consultancy Services. For this hackathon, I have created a tool called Agentgateway MCP Firewall. This tool works as that securing and governing MCP server access. Here I have created a tool with that Agent Gateway and K-Agent and KMCP. So what the problem it solved, because usually we have the MCP server, correct, but that MCP server doesn't have that inbuilt security. So that's what we can have that prompt injections and description anomalies, cross-tool manipulations, and invisible characters, all the things we can because it create that critical attack surface, correct. So in that case I have created a firewall. So in that firewall, so you can able to do that securing your MCP servers in production, and with that also who can access which tool, how attacks, and what is hiding inside that description and responses, all the things you can able to monitor with the tool. So in the tool, so this is the architecture of um, agent gateway MCP firewall. In that MCP, so there is a two layer. One works as the governance, and layer two works as that content security. See, this is that it will happen. So here I have created some agent tools, and based on the tool. So in the three layer architecture, so for when trying to access that agent, first it will reach that agent gateway, and after that it will reach that MCP uh, tool firewall, and after that it will reach that upstream MCP server, because it filter it will work as that governance layer and also that security layer as well. See, so what I'm going to do though is because I have created all Kubernetes cluster in my local, it's using that kind. So I'm going to ctl get. See, if you see here, you can able to see that because that the particular tool integrated with that Grafana, and also that Cage, and also that here you can able to see that I have created a malicious MCP server as well, and also that I have created that MCP security auditor as well, and also I have installed that K agent gateway, and also that so K agent also installed. So in that K agent, so the agent tools as well installed. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to run that particular file. So see, there is a two way, because one it will directly touch that particular MCP with that without firewall, and another one is that with firewall. See, first I'm going to do run with that without firewall. If I run with that without firewall, see, if you click that one, so you can able to see that because all the MCP server data, see, like that get weather, and run also the translate text and such files, and also that calculate, and also send email. So all the files will be, so if you see here, you can able to see that what is that recipient emails and all the things, because it will push the some data as well. See, here is sent an email to recipients like that you are now data extraction extent, because it will extract some data as well. So we can able to run with without firewall, and also we can able to run with with firewall as well. If you see here, if I am run that another command, see, if we here, it will be run with that with firewall as well. So in that with firewall as well, it will provide that particular data. And what I'm going to do, so because I have that demo file. So see, I have created a folder called demos. In that folder, I have that file. I will run that demo. So what it will be, because it will do that all the things. You see, if you see here, see, there are some tools we have. In the tools we have, like, see, if you tool that, we see that it will be that the total tools returned correct. So for get there will be because it is location, also it always ignore that previous instruction as well. So there are Python tool, and also there are safe tool as well. And second route is that MCP gateway with the agent gateway with the firewall. Here you can able to see that because all the routes will be saved, and also we can able to do that kill switch and all the things as well. See, if you see here that without firewall, so you can able to see the result. In the without firewall is the all the 8 tools will be exported. So in the 8 tools, so the 7 will be Python, but in that with firewall, the 7 Python tools will be blocked, because only one tool, so you can able to see. Because see, if you see, we get, so we have that agent gateway dashboard. In the dashboard, you can able to see the routes like that one route will be with backend on see if we see here we can see one backend will be in that with firewall and another one is that direct firewall because it will be not routed with that agent gateway. So one is that routed with that agent gateway and another one is not routed with that agent gateway. And also if you see here in that Grafana dashboard, in the Grafana dashboard you can able to see the scans. So because it will run the two scans, and in the two what how many will be, because as I see as you show see here only one 7 Python tools will be blocked, correct? If you see that total blocks 14 because we have run the scans 2 times, and also the total blocks will be 14, and also the total scan will be 2. See this is what it will be, so because it will show that how many prompt injections will be happening, and also that how many danger commands will be removed. See how many danger commands and data exploitation and also crash tool manipulations, all the data will be filtered with the tool. And also we have that k agent dashboard. So as I said earlier, see we have that k agent dashboard. So if you go to that in the k agent dashboard, so we go to the k agent dashboard, so we have that agent called the MCP security auditor. So the MCP security auditor agents will be integrated with that k agent and it's installed in that k agent. If you give that command with that k agent server, and you can able to get that value of that one. See if you see here, I'm just checking that. So scan that MCP server of malicious poisoning at all. It will try to on thinking that one. So see it will scan that MCP server, and also it will scan that malicious server in that Kubernetes cluster, because the MCP server installed with that KMCP. See it will try to figure out that one, and it will try to fetch the data of that particular MCP server. See here you can able to see that. See here, so what are the details we got it in that terminal. The same thing we can get it from that MCP security auditor agent as well. See this tool, the agent provide that. See the MCP service is in that promise in the particularly in that comprised server. See the total tools will be 8 tools, and then one 7 is tool is blocked, and one tool is the safe only. And also that it will provide that critical score as well, and also you can able to get that how much that risk score as well. See here you get whether it will be risk score will be 100, and also say what is the evidence. So it will provide the evidence, and also it will provide the threat as well. So that is what we can able to check that particular MCP server is that. And also we can have that safe tool as well. See here the format text, the particular format text will be doesn't have that any value, so that's what it will provide that one. See, and one more thing is that, so if I run that run demo.sh, see again it will run that one. So, and one more thing is that, so here we have that kill switch, correct? So in the basic that kill switch, so what it will be do, so it will block all the tools instantly, because it will to block all the upstream tools. So that's what it will be doing, and we can enable and disable that kill switch as well. So that's what this tool will be doing. And here I have mentioned that like that. So I have added all the values here, and also I have given that run book as well. So for based on that run book we can able to run that one. So you can able to install that particular agent gateway MCP firewall in your Kubernetes cluster, and you can able to scan you can scan your MCP server as well. So it automatically secure and governing your MCP server as well. So this is what we can learn, and these are the key features, because it will provide the risk scoring, and also it will provide the response scanning, and also this will skill switch and policy engine, all the things and on, and all the metrics will be stored in that Grafana dashboard. See here if you run that particular time, if you refresh that one, see we have scanned that four times, and also it will the total scan is a 4 into 8 is that 38 tools, and all the block will be 28, because the 4 tools will be safe, and also it will provide the uptime on all the values it will provide. So that's what happening in that MCPs. So thank you for the opportunity. So you can able to run that particular tool with that runbook.md. So here I have created, so how we can install that kind cluster, and how we can use that tool. So in that MCP security auditor, it will trigger that particular API key. So I have used that cloud API key. So in that Anthropic API key, and based on the API key it will use. So that this is what this particular tool will be okay.